Here I've got Nokia 8110 and let me show you how to add event to the calendar on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications by tapping on your home button, then find and select the calendar, and it's here. Now select the date on which you would like to add this event, so let me pick for example 1st of August and then click on add. Now add some title, so let me enter ABC, then the location, so let me enter home, then select if it should be all-day event. In my case it will definitely be all-day event. Then pick the start date, so we set it up, it's 8/1/19, and then pick the calendar, so if it should be in your phone calendar, let me go back because it's ticked, and then select event reminder, so select the day on which you would like to be reminded about it, so 1 day before, 2 days before, 1 week before, 2 weeks before, or on the day on event, so I would like to be informed about it 1 day before. Let me select it, and if you have some notes you can add them here, and that's basically all. Now you can save it, and as you can see from now on here on the 1st of August you've got this event. Here is the notification and you will be informed on the last day of July. So that's basically all. This is how you can add the event to your calendar. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.